All right, we're here at home. Another video. JCAC Outdoors. Got our crab haul. Got the boys working hard. What are you doing here, Liam? Pulling off all the goods. Clean them up. Getting them ready for the boil. Some big Dungeness we got here. What tool are you using here, Liam?
Crack and crab cleaner.
Crack and crab cleaner.
Hopefully they'll sponsor our next crab trip.
Shout out to Crack and Crab Cleaner, sponsoring us out on the deep sea angler. Got 30 Dungeness. We're gonna clean these up. We'll catch you on the next step. Now cleaning up the fish fillets from our 30 rockfish. Got some right there. The rest out in there. So we'll just clean those up. You can see Dalton peeling, just skin peels right off. Booyah. Nick cuts off the little bone section, the little rib cage. And they are ready to fry. Do whatever you want. Bake. Tasty, tasty. Some big fillets, small fillets. Got a little bit of everything. Delicious. It up. Prepping the pot for the crabs. Got some salt water, some vinegar. Get that boiling, steaming. All right, here's the next step. We brought some salt water home. Put the crabs in with the salt water, a little bit of vinegar. Can't even see them in there. Just a few, because there's still a bunch left. Boom. Pulling the crab out. Oh yeah.
Those big jumbos.
Big old Dungeness.
Don't drop it.
Yeah. Tasty, tasty. Nick was saying he put a cup of vinegar in there so that it won't stick to the meat won't stick to the bones.
Fresh ocean water, too.
Fresh ocean water in the bucket.
Let's set that over there. We're gonna have some more.
Booyah!
So good.
Oh, there's all the goods.
Back off there, doggy.
Knox wants some.
That's how good it is.
Gonna vacuum seal them up, and how long are they good for?
Good for a year.
A year. There you have it, folks. Yum, yum, yum. Last step, unless you're eating them. Put them in the Ziploc bag. I'll fold it up all nice. Make sure none of the pokies are going on the outside towards the bag. Don't poke a hole.
Don't vacuum seal them too hard.
Don't vacuum seal them too hard. Work some of the air out, but you're not going to take all of it out. Boom. All done. Ready to go into the freezer. Alright guys, well that's how you boil and get your crabs all ready for your feast. The reason we actually cut them in half is to get out a lot of those inside nastiness. You can boil them whole. We've done that before. You kind of just rip out the insides, and then you boil them the same. Just put a little bit of seawater there on the bottom. Boil that with some little cup of vinegar. Put a little steamer basket there in the bottom. and you're golden. And then, yeah, if you don't have those the crab crackers, then you can just use a knife and just split it down the middle. You don't cut the big shell, just down to the shell, and then rip them apart in half, and then get all the insides out, and you're golden. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we'll catch you next time for next whatever we get. Booyah.